For over 3 decades, Arihant Capital has been working to protect and grow your wealth. That is why more than 2.5 lakh clients, 1,000 plus corporates, and over 150 institutional investors place their trust in us. With over 800 investment centers across 300 plus cities, we stay close to you wherever you are. Honored by Forbes, BSE, NSDL, and Asia Money, Arihant stands as a benchmark of credibility and performance. The values that define Arihant were first nurtured in Ratlam, where a young man imbibed principles no classroom could teach. Groomed by his father and guided by timeless principles of Jainism, he moved to Indore and turned his vision into reality. And that visionary is none other than Ashok Jain.
मेरे पिताजी वे एक मेहनती और ईमानदार इंसान थे। उन्हीं से बचपन में मैंने जैन धर्म के मूल सिद्धांत, उनकी वैल्यूज को जीना सीखा।
Arihant Capital built on faith, rooted in Jain philosophy and carried by values of ethics and integrity. Ashok Jain never imposed these principles. He lived them. And in that quiet strength, his children saw not just a father, but a role model. They found their own path in his vision, the same vision that drives Arihant to grow with you today.
From my dad, I learned that wealth is meaningful only when it is created with ethics, trust, and responsibility.
I always had that dream that I should complete my CA, join the company, and make it grow like he has grown from scratch.
He showed us that resilience, humility, and unwavering dedication are not just virtues, they are the building blocks of a legacy.
Your journey is unique, and at Arihant, we treat it that way. Every challenge you face is a chance for us to find solutions and grow together. We keep adapting with the times, but the values we stand on, those will always stay the same.
यह रिश्ता सिर्फ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और नंबर से नहीं, विश्वास और डिसिप्लिन से बनता है।
We do not basically sell products to our clients, we help them create wealth.
If client makes money, we will make money. At Arihant, the captain of the team is the client.
We continuously sharpen our research, upgrade our technology, and deepen our relationship with our clients.
Beyond numbers and milestones, Arihant is a place of people, a community bound by respect and purpose, where innovation meets integrity, and where every individual feels a part of something larger than themselves.
At Arihant, research is not just about numbers. It's about identifying opportunities before the market does.
I have always ensured that the client interest is taken into account always.
With over 100 years of combined experience and 500 plus successful transactions, Arihant is a trusted name in investment banking.
We believe technology isn't just a tool, it is a guide that makes investing simpler.
At Arihant,
We don't just create wealth.
We create value.
Turning vision into reality.
Together we rise.
Together we shine.
Together we are Arihant Capital.